Cheers! I'm Clive, and here's Ford's F-150 Lightning, while over there is a fast-moving freeway. Let's see how quickly our driver can get onto it, by stamping on the Lightning's pedal all the way to merging speed. That shadow there on the ground is the acceleration of an average car for comparison. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Did you see how it rocketed away at the start? And yet it is super smooth and ridiculously fast. 60 miles per hour happens in 4 seconds. And it hits merging speed in 5 flat. And did it in only 25% of the on-ramp. Check it out on this comparison graph. The red line is the Ford, the black one is the average acceleration of all cars, and those grey ones show the range of all the cars we've tested. What's amazing here is how straight this line is. There's no hesitation here, or barely any fading near 65. This is what I think you Americans call really trucking. Its score of 87.2% is fantastic, but I have to ask, does a truck actually need to be as fast as this? Maybe I'm too practical.